Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Shraddha's Physics. In this part we will see the Hermitian operators. So let us begin our topic, that is the Hermitian operator. Let us consider a linear operator. Suppose P cap, a linear operator P cap associated with the dynamical variable is said to be Hermitian if its average value in any state psi, this is your psi, that is the wave function, any state psi is real. Okay, then this operator is called the Hermitian operator. Or we can also write, this P cap operator expectation. This one is the expectation symbol, that is the average value. You can say this symbol, that is this bracket term, that is this angle bracket, this represents the expectation value or the average value. Later we will discuss on this part, that is what is the expectation value or the average value. So here simply just remember, this angle bracket is known as the expectation value or the average value of the operator P cap, and this is equal to P cap star. Okay, so that is called the real number. Okay, or we can write the imaginary part, that is imaginary part of psi star P cap psi dx, that is equal to 0. Okay, now the expectation or the average value, the expectation or you may write the average value, the expectation value of P cap in the state psi so this can be written as, this is your P cap average, that is equal to integration over psi star P cap psi dx, that is this psi star represents the complex conjugate of the psi, or this can be written as, that is P cap star average, that is equal to the integration over psi star P cap psi dx whole star. Okay, so this is the P cap average star, and this also can be written as, this is equal to, we can write P cap psi whole star into psi dx, because you know psi star of star, it is also equal to psi. So simply we can write for this, that is your P cap psi whole star, and this will become psi into dx. Therefore we conclude that, so here we can write, therefore integration over psi star P cap psi dx, that is the average value of the P cap, that is equal to integration over P cap psi whole star into psi dx. That is when an operator, that is P cap, it is called the Hermitian operator, then we should follow this rule, that is psi star P cap psi dx will be equal to P cap psi whole star into psi dx. Now let us see the definition of the Hermiticity. The definition of Hermiticity. Okay. Now here you can see, if P cap, that is the operator, if P cap is Hermitian, and if psi 1 and psi 2, are two admissible state functions, not necessarily the same, not necessarily the same, that is, it may be like psi 1 and psi 2 are equal, or it may be like psi 1 and psi 2, they are two different wave function. Okay, so for that case, not necessarily the same, then we can write the integration over q cap psi 1 whole star into psi 2 dqr, that is in the three-dimensional state. We can write this is equal to integration over psi 1 star q cap, or this is your, it may be like sorry, here I have considered the operator as p cap, so let me correct this. So this is your p cap, so here this is your p cap psi 1 whole star psi 2 dqr, that is equal to psi 1 star p cap into psi 2 dqr. Now let us prove this one. Okay, now we have to prove that p cap psi 1 whole star psi 2 dqr equal to integration over psi 1 star p cap psi 2 dqr. And here this p cap represents the Hermitian operator, and psi 1 and psi 2, so they will represent the two admissible state function. Okay, and here since I have written here psi 1 and 2, so it will represent the two different state function. Okay, so now let us write, so let me prove this. So let us consider the state psi, that is the linear combination of the two states, that is the psi 1 and psi 2. So this psi can be written as equal to a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2, where a1 and a2 are constant, where a1 and a2 are constants. They are constants. Okay. Now the condition of hermiticity says that the condition of hermiticity is integration over p cap psi whole star psi dqr, that will be equal to integration over psi star p cap psi into dqr. Okay, so now let me write, this is suppose equation number 1. This is in general for the operator. When we can say that operator is Hermitian, then we can represent the operator in this form, that is psi star p cap psi dx integration will be equal to p cap psi whole star psi dx, and in the three-dimensional system we can simply write this as, so this is your p cap psi whole star psi dqr, that is equal to psi star pq psi dqr integration. Now this integration will becomes, so this will becomes the integration over p cap, in place of psi I will write a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2. Okay, if I will write, this is your a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2. So let me write in another page. So our equation 1 is p cap psi whole star psi dqr, that is equal to integration over psi star p cap psi dqr. This is our equation 1. So this equation becomes, if I will substitute psi equal to a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2, or we can write this as integration over, this is your p cap, in place of psi I will write a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2 and whole star, and in place of psi again I will write a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2 and dqr, and that is equal to integration over a1 psi 1 plus a2 psi 2 whole star into p cap, and in place of psi again I will write, this is your a1 psi 1 plus A2 psi 2 into dqr. So here this is your dqr, and here you can see from the first expression, that is in the first term, we can write, or this can be written as, if I will multiply this term, this is your star is present here. Okay, so let me write it clearly. So this is your star is present here. Okay, and now you can see here, for the first term, if I will multiply this term with this one, so this will be p cap a1 psi 1 star into a1 psi 1. So in place of a1 star into a1, I can write this is your modulus of a1 square, because you know modulus of a1 square is nothing but a1 into its complex conjugate a1 star. Okay, so in place of a1 into a1 star, I will simply write a1 square, a1 mod square. Okay, now the next term is, so this is your integration over p cap, and here is psi 1, so p cap psi 1 whole star into, here the psi 1 is present, so this will be psi 1 into dqr, plus, for the next one you can see, this is your again a2 star into a2, that will be a2 mod square, so here this will be mod a2 square into integration over, this is your p cap psi 2 whole star, so I will write this is your p cap psi 2 whole star into psi 2 into dqr. Okay, plus, here you can see, if I will multiply a1 psi 1 with this a2 psi 2, that is a1 psi 1 whole star into a2 psi 2, so this will be a1 star into a2, so I will write this is your a1 star into a2 integration over, for a1 star I will write this is your psi 1, this is your p cap into psi 1 whole star into, so here this is your psi 2, so this will be psi 2 into dqr, so here this is psi 2 into dqr, plus, again you can see, if I will multiply, this is your a2 star psi 2 and your p cap star is present, and I will multiply this with this term, that is a1 psi 1, then this will be a2 star into a1 will be present here, so the last term will be a2 star into a1 integration over p cap into psi 2 whole star psi 1 dqr. Okay, you can see here, this is your p cap psi 2 whole star into, this is your psi 1 dqr. Okay, and that is equal to, for this right hand side term again I will write, so this is equal to, so here the integration over a1 psi 1 whole star into this much, so now I will write again, so this will be a1 star into again a1 star, and here it is a1, so this will be a1 mod square, so this will be mod a1 square, you can see here, mod a1 square into integration over, this is your psi 1 star, this is psi 1 star into p cap psi 1 dqr, plus, this is your a2 star psi 2 star, and here this is your a2 psi 2, so this will be mod a2 square, this will be mod a2 square into integration over, similarly this is your psi 2 star into p cap psi 2 dqr, plus, again this will be a1 psi 1 star into p cap a2 psi 2, so this will be a1 star into a2, so I will write plus a1 star into a2 into integration over p cap, sorry, this is your, for a1 star this will be psi 1 star into, this is your p cap psi 2 dqr, plus, for the last term I will let, this is your A2 star psi 2 into A1 psi 1 P cap A1 psi 1. So this will be A2 star into A1 integration over psi 2 star into the operator here P cap and the psi 1 dqr. Now you can see here in this expression, that is in equation 1, P cap psi whole star psi dqr equal to psi star P cap psi dqr, and here also you can see this here P cap psi 1 whole star into psi 1 dqr, and I can write this expression as this is your, let me write. So for this term, for the first term I will write, let me just change the color. So for this first term I will write, so mod A1 square into, or I will write, or mod A1 square into integration over, in place of P cap psi 1 whole star I will write, this is your psi 1 star into P cap psi 1 dqr, this is your psi 1 star into P cap psi 1 dqr, plus for the next term this will be mod A2 square, again the same, for this P cap psi 2 whole star I will write the psi 2 star into P cap psi 2 dqr, so this will be integration over psi 2 star P cap psi 2 dqr, plus this will be A1 star into A2 integration over, for this P cap psi 1 star it will remain as it is, that is P cap psi 1 whole star into psi 2 dqr, plus for the last term I will write, for this term this will be plus A2 star into A1 integration over P cap psi 2 whole star into psi 1 into dqr. Okay, this is your dqr, and that is equal to, if I will write the right hand side term, that is as it is, this is equal to mod A1 square into, for this term I am writing, this is just the copy paste, mod A1 square integration over psi 1 star into P cap, this is your psi 1 star P cap psi 1 dqr, plus for the second term this will be plus mod A2 square integration over the same psi 2 star P cap psi 2 dqr, plus the next term, that is A1 star A2 into integration over psi 1 star P cap psi 2 dqr, and plus the last one A2 star A1 into integration over psi 2 star P cap psi 1 dqr. Okay, now you can see here this mod A1 square psi 1 star P cap psi 1 dqr, it will get cancelled with this term, that is mod A1 square integration psi 1 star P cap psi 1 dqr, and also here the second term will get cancelled with this term. Now here taking A1 star A2 common, so I can write, so here is also A1 star A2 is present, so now we can write for this term, or we can write, this is your A1 star A2, this is A1 star A2 integration over, this is P cap psi 1 whole star into psi 2 dqr, so this is P cap psi 1 whole star into psi 2 dqr, minus, so here the term is psi 1 star P cap psi 2 dqr, so this is minus integration over psi 1 star P cap psi 2 dqr. Okay, and finally if I will take common this A2 star A1 and also here A2 star A1, so this will be plus A2 star A1 taking common, so the first will be, this is your P cap psi 2 whole star, this term P cap psi 2 whole star psi 1 dqr, minus integration over psi 2 star P cap psi 1 dqr, and that is equal to 0. So you can see here, if I will take common a1 star a2, I will get this much. If I will take common a2 star into a1, I will get this much. And here, since a1 and a2, they are the arbitrary constant, so here we can write, since a1 and a2 are arbitrary, the bracketed term must vanish. Bracketed term must vanish. Okay. Now you can see here, for this first term, the bracketed term, if I will write, so this is your integration over p cap psi 1 whole star into psi 2 dqr, that will be equal to, I can write this minus this equal to 0, or I can, let me write this minus psi 1 star p cap psi 2 dqr, that is equal to 0. This one is first term. Or we can write, this is, or we can write integration over p cap psi 1 whole star psi 2 dqr, that will be equal to integration over psi 1 star into p cap psi 2 dqr. And for the next term, that is for this term, this total term, now we can, if I will write the coefficient of this a2 star a1, I will write, this is p cap psi 2 integration p cap psi 2 whole star psi 1 dqr, that will be equal, that is minus, this is your integration, let me write first whole term, minus psi 2 star p cap the psi 1 dqr, so this is p cap psi 1 dqr, that is equal to 0. Or simply we can write this equal to this much, or we can write the integration over, this is integration over p cap psi 2 whole star psi 1 dqr, that will be equal to integration over psi 2 star p cap psi 1 dqr. Okay. And simply this two equation can be written as, let me just give a bracket, give a box here, this equation, okay, and this equation. So these two equations can be written as simply, that is this can be written as psi 1 p cap psi 2, it is equal to p cap psi 1, let me write here psi 1 comma p cap psi 2, that is equal to p cap psi 1 comma psi 2. Okay. So this is the definition of the hermiticity. So that is, if there are two wave function or the linear combination of the two state, then for that we can write for the Hermitian operator, we can write p cap psi 1 whole star psi 2 dqr integration will be equal to psi 1 star p cap psi 2 dqr, or p cap psi 2 whole star psi 1 dqr integration will be equal to psi 2 star p cap psi 1 dqr integration. Okay. So in the next class we will see some properties of the Hermitian operator. This is all for today. Thank you all.